India's 54.6% of workforce is engaged in agriculture and related activities. India's 42.4% of land is cultivated. India accounts for 2 to 3% of the world's total area, in which 17.7% of the world's population lives.
खाने के तेल का आयात हो, दाल का आयात हो, मछली के चारे का आयात हो, फूड सेक्टर में प्रोसेस और अन्य उत्पादों का आयात हो, इस पर हम हर वर्ष 2 से 2.5 लाख करोड़ रुपया हम खर्च करते हैं, जो पैसा विदेश जाता है। यानी ये पैसा विदेश भेजना पड़ता है। ये भारत जैसे अन्न प्रधान देश के लिए क्या सही बात है क्या? इतने बड़े होनहार सहकारी क्षेत्र का नेतृत्व मेरे सामने बैठा है, तो मैं स्वाभाविक रूप से आपसे अपेक्षा करता हूं कि हमें क्रांति की दिशा में जाना पड़ेगा।
There is a need to increase production to ensure the food security of a country with such a large population. The farmers' farming land cannot be increased, but the production grown from it can be increased. And with this increased production, the farmer's income will also increase. The quality and production of the crop depends on many factors, but the seed is its root. A good seed means a good harvest. Today, not all farmers are able to get improved seeds. The direct contribution of improved seeds to the total production of a particular crop is about 15 to 20%, which can be increased to 45% with efficient management of other inputs. To fulfill this shortage, the Ministry of Cooperation, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and the able guidance of Shri Amit Shah, Honorable Minister of Home and Cooperation, has formed Bharatiya Bij Sahkari Samiti Limited. IFFCO, CRIBCO, NAFED, NDDB and NCDC have together established Bharatiya Bij Sahkari Samiti Limited. All cooperative societies from the primary to the national level that have an interest in seed business can become members. Bharatiya Bij Sahkari Samiti Limited will provide production, processing, distribution of quality seeds and other facilities related to this work to its members. The Indian Council of Agricultural Research will also provide technical support to this cooperative. This cooperative will also get support from other ministries, institutions and major cooperative societies of the government. Bharatiya Bij Sahkari Samiti Limited will undertake the production and distribution of improved seeds under a single brand name at the national level. This cooperative will guide its members in all activities like procurement, storage, processing, marketing, branding, labeling, packaging, certification, research and development, etc., and will guide all its members in these activities. Whatever seed is produced by the cooperative seed growers, it will be purchased by the packs at a better rate than the existing market.
छोटे किसान बीज की खेती नहीं कर सकते थे। सीड्स का डेवलपमेंट करना है तो बड़ी कंपनियां इनको मौका नहीं देती। जिनके पास 15 एकड़, 20 एकड़, 15 हेक्टर, 30 हेक्टर भूमि है, उसी को देते थे। अब आपके पास सिर्फ 2.5 बीघा मतलब 1.25 एकड़ भूमि है, तो आप बीज का प्रोडक्शन कर सकते हो। ये मल्टी स्टेट सीड्स कोऑपरेटिव आपका बीज ले लेगी, आपको बीज बनाने का सर्टिफिकेशन भी करेगी और आपके बीज को वो अपने ब्रांड के साथ भारत के और विश्व के बाजार में भी बेचेगी, जिससे किसान ज्यादा प्रोडक्टिव क्रॉप अपने खेत के अंदर कर पाएगा।
The effort of Bharatiya Bij Sahkari Samiti Limited will not only meet India's food needs, but will also increase the income of farmers, increase employment, and make the vision of Sahkar Se Samriddhi of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi come true. To become a member of the Bharatiya Bij Sahkari Samiti Limited, contact the email ID given below. For more information, contact www.cooperation.gov.in.